Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A60, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick accessibility, and here you will see screen reader. So just open it, and if you'd like to activate this feature, which will provide you with spoken feedback so you can hear what is displayed on your screen, just tap on voice assistant. Now confirm that you would like to activate it, double tap to select it, tap on OK, and let me volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And if we will go back
button. Accessibility
you can hear what it actually
100%.
is.
When voice assistant is on, your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn voice assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off. Perform the same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears in list 5 items.
So basically all you have to do is to mark some particular button, double tap to select it, and if you'd like to switch it off, just select screen reader, double tap, select the voice assistant and double tap to turn it off. And confirm that you'd like to switch it off by tapping on turn off. And this is it. That would be all, so you can activate, use and switch off Talkback. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.